Dear Rinpoche, I feel a connection to Yamantaka, but I have no guru. Which way is the best to do? A. Wait to find a guru and then do whatever practice he says, Yamantaka or not. B. Find a teacher who specializes in Yamantaka, and ask him to be my guru. C. Take the public Yamantaka initiation from His Holiness the Dalai Lama, or other teacher like that, even though he can't be my personal guru. D. Give up Yamantaka because it is too much complication for ordinary people, and try to receive Vajrayogini initiation instead. E. Any other possibility?
I will attempt to answer your sincere questions here. 1. Study the Dharma such as Lum Rim, Wheel of Sharp Weapons, Bodhisattva Cha Avatara, A Guide to the Bodhisattva's Way of Life, 50 Verses of Guru Devotion by Ashvaghosha, and the Three Principal Paths. 2. Although Bodhisattva and Tantric vows are secret, it is good to look through them to make sure you can follow. 3. Do your main preliminary practices 100,000 times each, such as mandala offering, guru yoga, prostrations, refuge, vajrasattva, thoroughly and correctly. If you can do these and complete, you will be more ready for Yamantaka. Study up on them and complete them in the privacy of your home. See your mind through these practices. 4. When you have completed the above, then seek a Yamantaka Lama who can confer full commentary teachings on you and you listen fervently. If you can receive from His Holiness the Dalai Lama, then you are very fortunate. If not, other qualified lamas would be good also, of course. More important is your practice after receiving it from the Lama. 5. If you feel more for Yamantaka, then you do Yamantaka. Yamantaka has many incredible qualities that is the same in Vajrayogini. I recommend Vajrayogini because it is much simpler with same results. I wish you luck, and for now, you can get an image of Yamantaka for your altar, make offerings, and do your preliminary practices in front of this image. This would make a powerful affinity with Lord Yamantaka. Also, it would be good to recite the Wheel of Sharp Weapons daily in front of your Yamantaka shrine. Do your prostrations, mandalas, offerings in front of Yamantaka daily. That would be wonderful. I sincerely rejoice for you from the bottom of my heart to have such faith in Lord Yamantaka. Manjushri Bodhisattva of Wisdom. I recall you in your peaceful, wrathful, protective, male, female and mystical forms. You are undiluted wisdom that realizes reality. Through this realization you cut the bonds of samsara. In times of degeneration, you manifest in ferocious forms. To eliminate our ego which lies undetected like a thief. In this supreme form as Yamantaka, I bow down to your feet suppressing the devas, maras and obstacles. Protect me in your divine anger and incinerate my self-grasping within your ferocious flames. Tsem Rinpoche.